In this video, we will explain how to create and manage test runs. Test runs are executions of selected test cases. They help teams track results, identify failures, and ensure everything is working as expected. On the Test Runs page, the current status of each test run is clearly displayed, including the percentage of completed tests and failed tests. This helps QA teams maintain better visibility and control over the testing process. Let's review an example. Click the test run title to open the overview page. On Test Run Overview page, you can see and navigate all test cases included in this test run. At the top of the page, filters allow the table to show only specific test cases, such as failed or untested ones. This makes it easier for teams to navigate and complete testing more efficiently. By clicking on the Dashboard tab, users can view detailed statistics related to the selected test run. Let's go through the step-by-step process of creating a new test run. Start by clicking Create Test Run button. Enter the test run name in the text field. Enter a description for your test run. To choose which test cases to include in this test run, click the Include field. Test cases can be selected in multiple ways. For this example, we will use the Choose Specific Test Cases option. You will see list of all available test cases. Select test cases you want to include in this new test run. Confirm your selection. Click Save button to create new test run. The test run has been successfully created. Test runs enable QA teams to manage and track the testing process in an efficient and structured way. Organize your testing process with Tuskr's modern, easy-to-use test case management solution. Thank you for watching.